How'd you sleep, dude?
Nap.
Nap? What kind of tea would you like, madam?
Give me some Earl.
My name is Earl. Okay.
Hey, why don't you get your
Jesus.
Jesus is helping.
I want to wait for that.
Thank you. Alright guys, we are on the road. We are heading to Big Bend National Park in Texas and maybe crossing our fingers that the border's open, that we can cross into Mexico.
That would be pretty cool.
And Harvey's asleep right now and Ezra is
Trying to wake him up.
a little bit entertained. So, look at this beautiful scenery though.
Wow.
Good morning guys. We are at Big Bend. You want to go see the horses?
Yeah.
We are at Big Bend National Park and today we are hiking Emory Peak. On the map it said 3 miles total, but on this thing it said 5.3 miles. So I guess we will see, but we're going to take you along with us. We have both kids strapped to us and we are ready.
Just a tad bit over to the right. Up, yeah, right there. Guys, right there. That's the van. It's down there. I see the yellow Mercedes that's from Switzerland down there.
We had no idea how long the hike was. We didn't know what the top looked like. We just saw 3 miles. We thought, we can do 3 miles.
Yeah, so it's 5 miles just to the
trailhead.
Just to the trailhead.
5 miles back down the trailhead to the bottom. And then from the trailhead, it's 1.5 miles up, 1.5 miles down. So
That's like 12.
I'm regretting life right now.
It's like 12, what, 12? So 5 and 5 is 10, 1 and a half, 11 and a half, so it's like 13 and a half.
Hi, baby.
If we would have had any idea, wouldn't have done it. So
No.
I'm kind of happy that we didn't have any idea.
We were so naive. Wow. Oh, alright guys. See you at the top. See you at the top.
Let's hope.
Here's a man.
Yeah.
I haven't moved the way, Mommy.
Oh, thanks. What's up, guys?
You did it.
We're alive.
Proud of you.
Made it all the way to the
The trailhead.
trailhead. By the time we hike down, we're looking at about 10.6 miles, which is still pretty great considering we thought we were doing a 3-mile hike today.
Yeah.
What'd you come back with?
I got goodies galore. And the best of all,
Oh yeah. Now show them the mountain that we just hiked.
where's it at?
Right there. Not that one.
Oh yeah.
Good morning, guys. So we are here in Big Bend. This is our campsite for the night. It's at 9 Point Draw. It's a primitive campsite. Right now I'm just waiting for the sun to rise. Got the time lapse going on top of the van. Just waiting for the sun to rise. So I figured you guys would want to see the sunrise with me. The boys are still sleeping. Colleen's inside, but she's up. But if she were to move, Harvey would probably wake up, and so unfortunately for her, she can't get out. So figured I'd video for her. Guys, we're loving Big Bend. It's very cold though right now. Very cold.
bumps and all.
Thanks, doll. That looks
Good thing on a bumpy road, we can still eat strawberries and blueberries. Hey guys, it's Colleen again. I don't know how we're doing it, but we are hiking again today after yesterday. We are hurting all over, but we can't miss this beautiful view. What is it?
Boquilis.
Boquilis, maybe I'm butchering that. Canyon Trail, and that right there is Mexico.
So cool.
We can't cross today because the border control or border.
The port of entry is closed.
The port of entry is closed on Monday and Tuesday, and today is Tuesday. So we're
Come
gonna
take a look at the river, guys.
So this is the way. What?
This is just phenomenal.
Yamana!
I mean, we're in this canyon right here. Right there's Mexico. Say it.
That's Mexico.
The river. Guys, this is, I don't know if I've ever
The
seen
videos and pictures don't even do this
Yeah,
justice.
it's not.
I fell where my demons dwell. My own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up. Climbing and climbing, I'm done with this road.
Trying to push us away from the tree.
We're by the tree.
How many?
5026.
5026.
Count them now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vultures.
4 butchers time. I like that tree.
Is this where we're gonna sleep tonight?
Yeah,
Do you think you're gonna see a wild pig?
yeah. I gotta see mommy and baby pig.
A mommy and a
Well, good morning, coyotes. And good morning to you, YouTube. We're here at Paint Gap 2 campsite. Look at that. That's just phenomenal.
Elsa, wake up! Come in the morning.
The coyote told you, Ezra, wake up, come play in the mud.
No.
That is so cool.
We're at the hot springs, guys. This feels wonderful. It's really crazy because we know the river is freezing cold because we put our feet in it yesterday afternoon. So that's the Rio. Here's the hot springs. How cool is that? We're enjoying it. Ezra's just finding some mud to play with. Be careful, bud. Just right there, if you can see it. Yeah, obviously where the water comes in at. But this feels good on our aching bones and aching joints. Tell them what you're doing.
Swim spring.
You're swimming in a hot spring.
Yeah.
Are you playing in mud too? I see mud in your hair.
It was on your face too. But does this hot spring feel good?
Nope.
Does it feel like a big bathtub?
Nope. I need a new stick, mommy.
You need a new stick.
Yeah, I need to go get you one.
Hey, this
He needs a new stick of sugar cane.
This is a new. This one.